prime Salman Khan is better than prime Shah Rukh Khan?
I 100% agree with this opinion, bro. See, the fitness thing has started in this industry because of Salman Khan. So I think overall, as an actor, as a personality, as a character, he has given more to this industry than Shah Rukh Khan, bro.
I think that Shah Rukh's performances, there are many performances in terms of acting that Salman can't pull off. Salman can't pull a My Name is Khan, yaar.
Katrina Kaif cannot act. The industry just forced her on us. The first word that you say, I'll just point out if it's true or imposter.
Ranbir Kapoor is a better actor than Ranveer Singh.
Ooh, I think he is 10 times better actor than Ranveer Singh.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Imposters. Like
Let's go,
mentioned
sir.
in the last episode, we have come with a new imposter segment
Yes, sir.
where we give out random opinions and we guess whether the person's opinion is an imposter opinion or not. And today we have the Bollywood edition.
Let's go.
Everyone's favorite topic. Let's go, boys. So Nikhil,
I'll
please do
shoot the
honors.
first one.
Yes.
Chetu Tale wala.
Yeah. Okay.
In YJHD, the characters glorify chasing adventure over responsibility, not relatable to normal life.
I think it's true.
You think it's true?
Yep.
Why?
Because all the time they were just about travel karo, live geo, ye karo. And those were fucking like what, 24, 25-year-olds. It's not like they are in college or something. I mean, at least Ranbir Kapoor was looking like a 30-year-old and he was a 30-year-old in that, whatever. But yeah, I think that at that age it is not relatable. If they were like, let's say 5 years younger, right? Just living off their daddy's money, which they still are in the movie. Anyhow, it is.
But don't you think कि मतलब सबने वो time पे still they were chasing whatever, glorifying vacationing, partying, all that. But like Ranbir Kapoor got admission in Northwestern University. Naina was becoming a doctor. She was studying for being a doctor. Adi was running a failed business, but still he was doing something in life.
And becoming an alcoholic.
Yeah, becoming an alcoholic. So they were actually focused on their careers. Everything was happening for them, and still they were partying together. So how is that wrong?
No, so I mean that in a way, like the messaging, like especially in the first half of the movie, right, where especially that dialogue कि पैसा तो हाथ का मिला है, what nonsense you're talking about, man.
That is bullshit.
What shit you're talking about? पैसा तो हाथ का मिला है, आज नहीं है, ये नहीं है, अरे कल जाओ घूमो. See, the thing is that in the movie Ranbir Kapoor eventually found out what he wanted to do through his travel journeys and things like that.
Yeah.
Which in a rare case, 1 out of 100 people would like, 1 out of 100 travelers would find out and make a career out of it. So the chances of you finding out that journey and then succeeding while just traveling is, I think, is like very minuscule. I think even Amir Khan once said कि क्या तुम backpack उठा के तुम you start from like क्या कहते हैं Kashmir and you go to Kanyakumari for 1 year कि वो क्या बोलता है कि tell your parents कि मैं जा रहा हूँ 1 साल बाद मेरे को पिकअप करना कन्याकुमारी में. That will teach you all you want to learn about marketing and this and that. Like, what nonsense you're talking, bhai.
That is there, but don't you think it is the correct message कि you should be so crazy in your head and follow your dreams that everything comes out. जैसे तूने बोला पैसा is male, but that is how, let's say, people say, no, manifestation कि oh bro, you should act like the way you want to be. तो ये मैसेजिंग तेरे को करेक्ट नहीं लग रहा है कि वो आदि मतलब वो जो भी बनी ने बोल दिया कि ब्रो मैं तो मेरी जिंदगी ऐसी ही है, मेरे को पैसे की टेंशन नहीं है क्योंकि it just comes to me naturally. And in the end, he was doing what he loves to do. In the end, he was earning the most amount of money. And in the end, he was helping his friend out also with his money.
Yeah, but what was his responsibility towards his father?
That,
like,
of course.
Yeah. So see, at some point, I agree that a person should have freedom and should do what they want to do. But at the same time, there's a certain responsibility that you have towards your household, especially your parents, right? जब उसको like आदित्य रॉय कपूर बोलता है कि तू तो अपने बाप की मैयत में भी नहीं आया क्योंकि तू ट्रैवल कर रहा था. That is just your excuse कि अरे bro मेरा ये है मेरा वो है. मतलब not meeting your father is one thing which is also wrong.
Yeah.
And a father who has done so much for you, as we have seen in the movie. He has supported him in every way. Like he was a single parent. And तू तभी भी जब जिंदा था तू like मिलने नहीं आता था तो उसके मैयत में भी नहीं आया. So how worse can it get? it is just showing one part of the picture where he is like, okay, he has done what he wanted to do, and like it is great, right? Everyone, I firmly believe that everyone gets to do what they want to do.
Correct.
But it has to come with certain responsibilities, because I think one day you will be like 50, 60, and then you'll start thinking ki now I'm alone. I don't have anyone. I don't have a spouse, no children. My father is gone. The only person who cared about me, like without anything in return, he never asked me for anything, like except his time, which I didn't give him at all.
Correct. My final verdict after your last answer, I'm convinced that you agree with this opinion.
Imposter opinion, baby.
What the fuck, bro? 5 stars. भाई मैं तो जिंदगी में कोई गैस नहीं कर पाता भाई.
नहीं, so see, my thought process on this was that see, let's just read out the question once again, right? The characters glorify chasing and adventure over responsibility, not relatable to normal life. So I think here is that they did glorify chasing adventure and all, but at all the time, like example in case of Naina, like you mentioned, she was talking about the studies. Somewhere in his mind, even Bunny was convinced that he wanted to do something else with his life.
Correct.
That's why he got separated from his group. That's why Aditya Roy Kapoor was angry with him. The only person who didn't make the best out of his life was Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Aditya Roy Kapoor, correct.
Right. In case of Kalki Cochin, her name was Aditi in the character. Yeah. I think she got married to a rich dude, so she won in life.
She was the actual winner.
Yeah. So like she won in life. In terms of responsibility, that is the only complaint that I have of Ranbir Kapoor, that he couldn't. मतलब उसमें भी movie में कुछ justification नहीं दिया कि why he wasn't there.
हाँ, but मेरे को वही लग रहा था कि चल ठीक है, उसका I mean what he did was of course wrong कि उसके father के खुद के funeral पे नहीं आया. But in the end, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, विराट कोहली also did the same thing where he his dad died and he still played for the country because he was so passionate. Of course he did everything. Yeah. But he still managed to play for the country.
Yeah, where I differ here is that these are complete scenarios from the standpoint that he had an elder brother who could do those things.
Correct.
He was a single child.
Correct. Yeah.
Like example, let's say in my case, if I'm not able to attend my dad's funeral, my younger brother would be there.
Correct.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Right, तो एक तो बेटा अगर हो तो अच्छी बात ही है. So that was his responsibility, but from a larger picture point of view, that was something it's a big deal, but from a larger picture point of view, the message that they were trying to convey, convey that whatever opportunity you get, just try to live life to the fullest until you can, because you know that after an age you are going to
you won't be able to do whatever you're doing right now.
Correct. And please attend your dad's funeral.
We don't wish your dad to die anytime soon, but when it happens
someday, or if you die before him, then it's not your fault.
Next, picking up the next shit.
Yes, first the opinion. Ranbir Kapoor is a better actor than Ranveer Singh.
Ooh. I think he is 10 times better actor than Ranveer Singh. because bro, not just ठीक है, Ranveer Singh का लोग बोलते हैं कि he is a very versatile actor, which is very true. I agree with this. But Ranbir Kapoor doesn't need to be like a drug addict on the stage to be कि oh bro, what's up bro, क्या चल रहा है भाई, वैसे करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती भाई रणबीर कपूर को.
But see, here you're talking about live performances and in award shows. And like PR events and things like that. We're talking about the on-screen thing.
On-screen also, I think Ranbir Kapoor has cracked that genre of acting कि मतलब उसको तो वो emotional role दे देगा या तो कुछ messaging convey दे देगा. Nobody can do it better. And Ranbir Kapoor in terms of मतलब जैसे बोलते हैं ना, शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, ये दोनों एकदम legends है. I think Ranbir Kapoor is also a part of that category, bro. Honestly, Ranveer Singh, like I mentioned, he's the most versatile actor. उसने काफी roles crack किए हैं. But Ranbir Kapoor, in terms of his looks, I think he's a better looking actor than Ranveer Singh. In terms of the talent, in terms of the number of hits that he has given. YJHD ले लो, उसका रामायण आ रहा है, ब्रह्मास्त्र, और bro, he's literally married to the generational, the best actress. I think that is also a big win, bro.
Yeah, see, again, I get whatever points you have said, they are in favor of Ranbir Kapoor there. Yeah. But I think that still does not prove that he is a better actor. I'm seeing from an actor point of view. We all know that from an acting point of view, let's say, Manoj Bajpayee can be better than the three Khans in some way.
Correct.
Right, Nana Patekar, Paresh Rawal are better in some way. So from an acting point of view, I believe that Ranveer Singh is much better, not much better, is slightly better, because I think that versatility plays a very big role.
Correct.
When you're acting. With Ranbir Kapoor, what people have generally observed and complained, or not complained, but some critics were there that more or less in every movie you can figure out that he's Ranbir Kapoor. There is a very little camouflage between Ranbir Kapoor and the character that he is playing, because of like the way he talks and the voice.
Yeah bro, for Ranbir Kapoor it comes naturally. Ranveer Singh के काफी लोग बोलते हैं कि bro over acting करता है, he's too much for the audience sometimes, क्योंकि he's मतलब उसकी personality वैसी है कि he's all on the top. But Ranbir Kapoor, for him to be a nepo kid and for him to face so many challenges or advantages, whatever you call it, क्योंकि nepo kid होते हुए लोग तुमको जज करने ही वाले कि bro तुम फकॉल एक्टर हो, तुम अपने डैड के फेम के वैसे आए हो. But bro उससे जो एक्टिंग नेचुरली आती है उसको, and I think he's one of the legends. But I don't think Ranveer Singh, even though he's an amazing actor, can reach the level of Ranbir Kapoor or the category of Ranbir Kapoor.
See, again, I think that, personally, from my point of view, I think why people don't categorize Ranveer Singh like that is just because of his off-screen presence and the stunts that he does.
Yeah.
It is not very common for a superstar or a person who wants to be superstar to behave like that, which I think even he has probably realized.
Yeah.
That recent Kantara thing that happened on stage and all. So maybe there that is where something that is something where he needs to learn a little bit, is just what I feel from a PR point of view. Apart from that, I believe that from an acting standpoint, for me still, like for Ranbir Kapoor, his core is that, like you mentioned, कि वो कोई मूवी में बहुत दुखी है, बहुत उदासी है, some kind of a rom-com, or somewhere where he's trying to figure out life and things like that. That's his core. I know that he can do much more the way he performed in Animal, although I like haven't watched the movie, but I know that his performance was superb, right? And that was the first time that he played a gore,
correct,
right? Like a gore movie, and like with so much violence, which we haven't ever seen before with him. So that is something that I think we should give like a lot of credit to him for that. But for me, again, I think that in terms of the genres that Ranveer Singh has cracked, right, in any movie, I don't feel like he has done any kind of overacting of any sort. I think you can say movies like Circus or something like that, because see, right, that was a flop. But I think you see a movie like 83. I mean, that acting of Kapil Dev with such natural, like with so much replication at such a natural level.
Agreed. I can say the same thing for Sanju also.
Sanju, though, I can say that it was a very okayish performance for me.
Nah, bro.
Because it was just that भाई उसके बाल का hairline यहाँ से कर लिया, उसको बाद थोड़ा दाढ़ी कर लिया. See, I think anywhere a person above the age of 30 who has watched Sanjay Dutt, you tell him कि तू भाई तू बाबा की तरह बस चल के देगा, कोई भी चलना चालू कर देगा.
चलना is one thing bro, but for him to literally, मतलब ऐसे लग रहा था वो जैसे उसके डैड नहीं बोला, वो जेल से निकला ब्रो ऐसे, क्योंकि वो जो इमोशन क्या निकला है, उसका पूरा जर्नी दिखाया है, वो उसने प्रॉपर सेल किया है. और वो जर्नी के बाद जब जेल से निकलता है, ऐसा लगता है कि संजय दत्त आ रहा है, क्योंकि उसने इतने अच्छे से सेल किया.
करेक्ट. नहीं, सो अगेन, so like that is a thing where I feel कि he has done a good job, okay job, like whatever, but not a brilliant job as compared to 83. 83 replicating the bowling action of Kapil Dev, that Punjabi accent, that मतलब वो जब वो जाता है press conferences देता है, and you can see like the vulnerability कि हम underdogs है. मतलब everyone was saying कि bro, how are you going to do the bowling action of Kapil Dev? How are you going to do the accent
for him
of
to
Kapil
crack
Dev?
That is fucking insane.
Yeah, because I think, and see, one thing is to do a sport film where you have to bat, where you have to bowl, you have to run, you have to do catches. I think it was I think his like just his poor stars that he that the film didn't succeed at the box office, but everyone can agree it was a banger film.
It was a banger
and
film, I agree.
The thing that I have against Sanju personally is that I think it's a proper PR film. Because
that is, I mean, almost every other documentary is that.
Yeah, but
MS Dhoni ka also was the same thing.
Correct, but MS धोनी wasn't, उसमें लोग ये नहीं justify कर रहे ना कि एक बंदा
वो
जो
तो
अपने
है।
घर पे आर्म्स रख के रखा है.
वो तो है
Because like see, Sanju was a very entertaining film. People
Yeah.
watched the film, people loved it. ठीक
इस
है.
पे तो हाँ चल संजू में उसके फेवर में बताया कि उसने क्यों रखा
It is just like कि तुम उसको
जो
humanize कर रहे हो.
कि जो रखा उसके अच्छे के लिए रखा है उसने.
But the thing is, see, a mistake is a mistake.
Yeah.
I know that we are going off topic here,
Yeah.
but like a mistake is a mistake.
Yeah.
And the thing was that, like, how can I tell you? I could still see Ranbir Kapoor playing that character. I know that he did his best in terms of bodybuilding, in terms of accent, in terms of like, you know, walking and all. But it still seemed कि हाँ मैं रणबीर कपूर को देख रहा हूँ. Like I could see Ranbir Kapoor.
हाँ, because we don't usually expect Ranbir Kapoor to do that kind of a role.
Yeah,
and it was very,
and he did his best.
Exactly. So that is why it stood out for me क्योंकि उससे expect नहीं किया था. रणबीर कपूर से expect नहीं किया था संजय दत्त.
Correct. But the thing is वही ना कि चाहे तुम expect कर रहे हो या तुम नहीं कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
What like you know what does your manager think of you at work? मैं expect कर रहा हूँ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को ये output चाहिए.
हाँ.
And for me, if like you know Ranveer Singh is just giving me that output with roles like 83, with roles like Gully Boy, मतलब वो Gully Boy में दिख रहा था कि भाई कोई गली का बंदा है वो.
Correct.
वहाँ से निकल के with that accent of a character who like you know who is not from his community to be that underdog in front of Siddhant Chaturvedi.
हाँ.
Right, whereas Ranveer Singh is a star,
Yeah.
and that guy was a newcomer. फिर भी उसके सामने to you know just like you know have that posture कि नहीं तू यहाँ पर बड़ा आदमी, मैं बहुत छोटा आदमी हूँ. वो हो गया. Then you see Padmavat, you see Bajirao, you see Lutera.
है तो सही भाई उसके जॉर्डन.
हाँ, yeah, you see Lutera. I think it is the most underrated movie ever. वो like Olive करके एक मतलब लाइक तूने नहीं पढ़ा रहेगा ये थोड़ा फिर ICSE वालों का.
What is your final verdict भाई?
My final verdict, I think it's a true opinion because I know you're a big Ranbir Kapoor fan.
I mean it is a true opinion but I have started liking. मैंने बोला था पहले कि रणबीर कपूर is better but for me now it is almost equal. क्योंकि मैं इतना डिफेंड भी नहीं कर रहा था क्योंकि मेरे को पता है रणवीर सिंह बहुत ही ज्यादा वर्सेटाइल है भाई.
I think that he has see मैं like वही कहता हूँ ना, and I've seen many kind of you know like you know critics also. He's like कि this guy is a potential superstar. Because of his off screen antics. It's like people के दिमाग में बस इमेज है. The thing about Ranbir Kapoor is that in interviews he is very well spoken, very classy.
Calm, yeah, because he belongs from that background. He knows what needs to be said. और मतलब I still find मतलब ऐसे रणबीर कपूर मेरे slightly better है but मेरे लिए रणवीर सिंह is also I don't have anything bad to say. Here I was making up shit और तू जब बोला था versatility, I agree with all of that. I agree with everything that you just said. But Ranbir Kapoor, just because like I have been his fan since a very long time. Ranveer Singh ka I know he has done some banger movies but now I have started to develop that feeling कि bro this guy is it bro कि मतलब ये बंदा कर सकता है.
हमजा अली अंसारी,
हमजा धुरंधर और दूती उसके जैसे मतलब उसका वो अलग ही ऑरा है भाई. मतलब लोग उसको बोलते हैं कि हाँ हमेशा हाई रहता है but that's his personality.
Yeah, मतलब
working well
this
for
is
him.
something that he has chosen.
Exactly.
It is like you know like a parallel in case of him and Hardik Pandya. Well, they just live life the way they want to live.
They don't give two fucks and that is how it should be bhai.
And at the same time, I was very excited when he's like you know when he was announced for Dawn.
Oh yeah.
Because I think that उसको chance दे सकते. उसने बोला भी कि एक मौका तो दीजिए. उसने public के सामने बोला. The thing is that because those character like that character was played by Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
Then Shah Rukh Khan. And then they come to him. तो people were like अरे तू क्या करेगा ये वो. But like even you know deep within कि कुछ तो कर सकता है.
भाई. मेरे को तो लग रहा है बहुत banger movie होने ही वाली है.
And you see films like बेफिक्रे.
Yeah.
And दिल धड़कने दो.
Yeah.
तो that chocolate era boy. Yeah, Rocky and Rani तो
my fucking favorite movie bro.
How could I forget the dialect in Rocky and Rani?
Yeah bro, it was so fucking good bro. It was so fucking good bro.
I think a Ranbir Kapoor and I say on behalf of him on behalf of every guest that we have had.
Yeah.
A Ranbir Kapoor and a Ranveer Singh debate can be like a 2-hour conversation 100%. Where people will go into each individual movie and be like अरे क्या था यार ये भी क्या था यार.
100% दोनों ही गोट है भाई.
Let's go. My next one.
Oh ठीक है उठा ले चिट मैं पढ़ता हूँ. Katrina Kaif cannot act. The industry just forced her on us. One, the first word that you say, I'll just point out if it's true or imposter.
Katrina Kaif cannot act. The industry just forced her on us. I think it's true.
Not an imposter.
Because I believe that that she's like super pretty. She is tall. She has a great figure. She is like, you know, very well maintained.
Yeah.
And back in the day, to ekdam natural.
Ekdam na, correct.
When people first saw her, everyone was like, man, this is beauty.
Yeah, this is peak beauty. I think Katrina Kaif ka career in good ways or bad ways has just blown up because of Salman Khan. A lot. He has played a major role.
Yeah.
For whatever reasons, जो भी है. But Ekta Tiger लोग बोलते हैं कि वो Katrina Kaif was insane. I don't think so, bro. She did not do a good job.
Sorry, I haven't seen a movie where I came out and be like, अरे क्या acting की है.
Acting की exactly. Katrina Kaif के लिए ऐसा कोई भी मैं आज तो कोई मूवी देखने नहीं गया कि ब्रो इसकी एक्टिंग देखनी है. जैसे मैं आलिया भट्ट के लिए हम दोनों जाएंगे. या तो दीपिका के लिए काफी लोग चले जाएंगे ब्रो. दीपिका पादुकोण की मूवी है. Katrina Kaif, I don't think so, bro. It's just that she has that foreign accent and she's trying to make it in this industry, and she has given so many performances with Salman Khan, and Salman Khan in that era was absolutely killing it. तो मैं तो हमेशा ये एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ कि ब्रो एकता टाइगर बोलते हैं कि इतनी बैंगर मूवी है क्योंकि द कास्ट वाज सो परफेक्ट. कटरीना कैफ हैज डन सच अ गुड जॉब. आई डोंट थिंक सो ब्रो. सलमान खान carried that movie and the entire narrative of the movie, entire story was so good that Katrina Kaif just ठीक है कोई भी एक्टर चल जाता है.
Correct. And see, after a certain point, the unfortunate thing in Bollywood is that the female lead is just taken to be an eye candy.
Yeah.
उसका पर्पस ही है कि ये तुम्हारी लव इंटरेस्ट है.
Correct.
अब क्योंकि उनको दिखाना है, उनको they just want to have a romantic song in the movie.
Yeah.
Somehow.
Yeah.
They have to just incorporate it, integrate it in some way, and like khatam. So not only Katrina Kaif, it I think happens in case of many lead actors.
Many lead actors, agreed. I think Katrina Kaif की only decent movie was Welcome, bro.
Welcome at I think personally the performance that she gave, which was very good and which suited her also, was in Tees Maar Khan.
Tees Maar Khan, oh yeah.
Tees Maar Khan was
yeah. Tees Maar Khan with you.
वो देख रहे हैं वो स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं.
Tees Maar Khan अच्छा था और वेलकम में भी क्योंकि इतना फनी हुई था और उसका पार्ट भी फनी लग रहा था अक्षय खन्ना के अक्षय कुमार के साइड में. तो बट हाँ, आई डोंट थिंक शी इज द एक्ट्रेस दैट विल सेल टिकट्स.
Yeah, because see, like you know, people have had a lot of criticisms for Sonam Kapoor as well.
Yeah.
But Sonam Kapoor has done her best in some films like Neerja, like Ranjana, where people came out and were like कि अच्छा काम किया है.
Correct.
But unfortunately, I don't think that has been the case
with Katrina
Kaif.
Yeah.
Like she is super pretty. She's a great dancer. She has a great on-screen presence as well. Because screen पे आती है तो लोग देखते हैं because अच्छा है. But acting.
I think it's a true opinion, bro.
Yeah,
it cannot be an imposter opinion.
जिसका भी imposter opinion है वो पागल है भाई. Next one. ये रहा चिट. दे रही. Let's go. Alia Bhatt is the most talented actress of this generation.
I agree.
True opinion. Let's move on.
Bro, she's the most prettiest. She's the most talented. She's the most gorgeous actress to have stepped on this planet. People compare her with Deepika Padukone. I do not think that is even a comparison because.
Do you hate Deepika Padukone?
I do not. I mean, I don't know, bro. Hate is a very strong word.
It's a strong word, bro.
ये last time मेरे को comment आया था. But bro, ऐसे Alia Bhatt is just miles better क्योंकि bro, just look at her profile, bro. Just look at her portfolio. She has done every possible movie. And I think वो अभी कोई भी मूवी जाएगी ना, people wouldn't care that much about the lead actor. अगर कोई newbie भी हो ना, that movie is still going to work because of Alia Bhatt.
I think Jigra worked.
Exactly. And for us to say this in terms की मतलब हाँ चल मेल एक्टर्स को इतना फोकस मिलता है, बट फॉर अस टू से कि ब्रो एक फीमेल लीड पूरा थिएटर सोल्ड आउट कर सकती है. आई थिंक दैट्स द बिगेस्ट विक्ट्री एन एक्ट्रेस कैन एवर गेट.
You see in case of Razi, Jigra, and her portfolio in terms of Gully Boy, in terms of, you know, Badrinath, and at an early age, वो कौन सी थी, हम्टी शर्मा की दुल्हनिया,
बद्रीनाथ, डियर जिंदगी, ब्रो मतलब एवरीथिंग ब्रो. गली बॉय ले लो, अभी उसकी कौन सी मूवी आई थी रिसेंट, लास्ट मूवी कौन सी आई थी आलिया भट्ट की, मेरे को भी याद नहीं है.
आलिया भट्ट फैन देखो.
मतलब मेरे को भी याद नहीं है वैसे तो, बट
आई थिंक इट्स बीन अ व्हाइल उसका. आई थिंक जिगरा ही लास्ट था
मेरे हिसाब से यार.
हाँ, अभी उनका वो हो रहा था ना, शी कटरीना कैफ and Priyanka Chopra in that like you know ZNMD spin-off female
हाँ
पता नहीं.
I don't think मतलब हाँ हो गया तो it will be crazy.
हाँ.
But bro, yeah bro, I think देखो ही पता है true opinion है.
Yeah,
I don't think you have to judge this.
Yeah, and I think for a generation like when she's like acting, you can see कि she has worked on that character.
Yeah.
And it's just that you can sense कि इसने आके मेहनत की है, कुछ तो किया है.
Correct. Yeah.
With a lot of actresses, you can feel like कि शायद से आके shoot करके निकल गए.
हाँ.
I'm not kind of, undermining anyone, and I know they work very hard because their schedules are super tight.
Correct.
But with Alia Bhatt, it's like she's always just working on her craft.
Yeah.
And she's like just working in terms of upskilling herself and trying new challenges.
And for Alia Bhatt, मतलब ऐसे start में तो कोई मैच पता है कैसी थी उसकी, dumb kid, कुछ नहीं पता, उसने शो में भी 2-3 चीजें बोली थी. For her to move on, अभी तो वो सब के बारे में कोई सोचता ही नहीं.
That's been a journey, man.
Bro, क्यों कोई सोचता ही नहीं है, because she has literally raised the bar to the next level. तभी कोई बोलता था कि bro Alia Bhatt will be the next biggest superstar. तब तो बोलते हैं bro ये क्या है, कौन है.
I still remember on Coffee with Karan, Alia and Parineeti, I think they debuted, I think around the same time. So everyone was asked this question. All the actors, actresses, whoever came to the couch, everyone was asked, Alia or Parineeti? The brightest star in the future, like something like that. Almost 8 out of 10 people said Parineeti. 8 out of 10 people said Parineeti.
That's crazy.
So I'm not saying that the industry was against her. They just saw more talent in Parineeti, and Alia was very young at that age.
Yeah.
And because of the image that was there in people's head that she is dumb, she doesn't know shit, and things like that.
Yeah.
To have such a journey from there to here.
Yeah. I think the biggest win is this only, bro. मतलब कहाँ उसका क्या ही image था भाई. अभी देखो भाई, literally nobody can say anything bad. I don't think, like, for once I think everyone just agrees that Alia Bhatt is the best actress. ऐसा I don't see a lot of haters कि लोग बोलेंगे नहीं bro, Alia Bhatt is very mid. I don't see that in our generation, which is very rare to
and have. in this generation, I think undisputed among all the nepo actresses, she तो is number one, because उसके पहले भी like all these actresses like Kajol, Rani Mukherjee, everyone is a nepo actress. Yeah. Right, more or less. But they were good actresses.
Yeah.
And today's nepo actresses you've seen.
Next one. Your turn. Okay. Arijit Singh is overused and now sounds the same in every goddamn song.
It's a true opinion. मैं खुद के लिए बोलूँगा.
You think it's true? Why do you think कि ऐसा Arijit is overused?
See, the fact is he is overused.
He
is overused. That I don't deny it.
I don't think he's overused. I think it has become a necessary for this industry to have him in every movie because he's that fucking good.
He is good. And not good. He is very good. No doubt about it. And he's probably the best in the like in the industry right now. And the thing is that outside of movies also he has his own fan following where people go crazy कि अरे इसका गाना है सुनते हैं.
Yeah.
So it helps the film in a lot of ways. But I feel that after a certain point the audience is kind of bored now. They want him to do something different. In case of Sonu Nigam, like he was experimenting.
But bro, अरिजीत सिंह वो एक ही चीज कर रहा है क्योंकि वो चलती है और ऑडियंस को वही चलती है और ऐसी नहीं कि चल ठीक है ये चीज चल रहा है चल नहीं रही है तो भी वो किए जा रहा है. आई थिंक एवरी मूवी द सॉन्ग दैट ही हैज डन एवरी सॉन्ग हैज वर्कड. एवरी सॉन्ग हैज वर्कड एंड यू नो दैट इफ अरिजीत सिंह इज a part of that movie, even if the movie flops, the song is definitely going to work.
100%. I do believe that, see, there is no question or any challenge in terms of his ability, in terms of the value he brings to the table. The fans love him. Like everyone loves him. My only response just to the question was that he has been overused now. And he sounds the same in every song. Like example, what Sonu Nigam did in 30 Mar Khan.
Yeah.
जो उसका वो था टाइटल ट्रैक सॉन्ग था that change in like in all the voices and all those things. I think probably that is something that like I think everyone would like to see him doing that, Arijit Singh doing that.
But he's not that kind of an artist.
Yeah. Wait. So again, if that's a question, that's like a problem looking for a solution kind of a stuff.
Yeah.
Or a solution looking from a problem.
Kind of stuff.
Yeah, like example, we can say that Ranbir Kapoor has this personality और वो इसमें suit करता है and he's killing in that.
Yeah.
But example, when you compare him with someone else, then the question of versatility will come into place whether he's the goat or not.
Yeah.
So whatever Arijit Singh is doing, he's the best at it.
Yeah.
And probably in the next generation, in the last generation को भी गिन के he's the best. And the kind of market pull that he has had, I think he wasn't even in the top singers when he did some show, बल्कि ऐसा कोई तो फिर competition वाला शो था, वो उसमें टॉप में भी नहीं था. So even the kind of journey that he has seen from there to here, it is like and even he had some Salman मैं भी बोल रहा था, he has had some fair share of controversies back in the past.
Recently said no, अभी अरिजीत सिंह और मेरा कुछ नहीं है, we have solved it completely, it was my fault. Salman Khan publicly admitted.
Yeah, मतलब but हाँ, in terms of the GOAT, if you say the GOAT in the music industry of India, I think A.R. Rahman.
A.R. Rahman, oh yeah, 100%.
The
I think
guy can
Pritam
sing.
also comes in that category क्योंकि भैंसो पता नहीं प्रीतम
Spotify में तो मैं देख के थक
कहाँ से
गया.
आ जाता है भाई, हर साल कहाँ से आ जाता है भाई,
पता नहीं यार, मतलब वो हर गाने में उसका कुछ ना कुछ एक
रहता ही है कुछ
बोछड़ी का नमक है म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री का. हर जगह टिचकी मार के कहीं ना कहीं पहुंच जाता है.
So my final verdict, I think it's an imposter opinion.
It's a true opinion. मैं स्टार्टिंग में बोला it's a true opinion.
अच्छा, मेरे को लगा तू ऐसे ही कमेंट्स करने के लिए बोल रहा था.
नहीं, मैं तो ट्रू, मैंने गलती से सच बोल दिया, फिर मैं कह रहा नहीं मैं तो बस बोल रहा हूँ, आप भी आगे देखो.
Next one.
लास्ट है.
हाँ.
Prime Salman Khan is better than Prime Shah Rukh Khan.
I 100% agree with this opinion, bro. Because Shah Rukh Khan, I think, even though he's a legend of this industry, I think his romanticizing is very fake. मतलब जो बोलते हैं he's the best romantic actor out there. I don't think so, bro. I think he overdoes it every goddamn time. And dancing wise, if you also see, currently I would prefer Shah Rukh. Salman Khan can't move his body, but
Prime Salman Khan,
Prime Salman Khan, I think nobody can dance like him. And as an actor, he has given Prem character has given much more in the industry than the entire Shah Rukh Khan as a character, bro. Is what I feel. And in terms of his personality's aura, the fitness industry, the fitness thing has started in this industry because of Salman Khan. So I think overall, as an actor, as a personality, as a character, he has given more to this industry, to this world, to this Bollywood thingy than Shah Rukh Khan. Bro, Shah Rukh Khan ke a lot of movies have been overrated, I would say, just because of his fame. I get the fact that, okay, he has worked his ass off to get where he is now. For a guy outside of his industry to not have any money to survive in Mumbai, for him to make it.
PR,
it's just that story always sells.
Yeah.
And of course, I'm not saying it's fake. He has done everything, but it sells.
Might be fake, who knows?
Yeah,
because knows? People on the internet say that he comes from a well-to-do family.
Yeah.
His like dad was in the elections, his mom was that and that.
So yeah, that PR of course sells. And bro, कुछ होता है ये सब bro. मेरे को मतलब ठीक है अच्छी मूवी थी, but bro ऐसा नहीं था कि bro शाहरुख खान bro fuck क्या कर लिया है. सलमान खान का ब्रो सलमान खान है ब्रो, क्या कर लिया है भाई. कितने मैं तो चल इतना पीछे भी नहीं जाऊंगा ब्रो. दबंग ही जो दबंग फ्रेंचाइजी है, लोग क्रिंज बोले क्या बोले, बट ब्रो दबंग आई डोंट थिंक शाहरुख खान कैन डू द सेम थिंग.
Correct. So like what do you mean by that is you mean that Salman Khan has a greater crowd pull. He's a bigger crowd puller than Shah Rukh Khan.
Crowd pull, I think currently a lot of people don't like Salman Khan because he's more available to the audience.
But yeah, we're talking about the Prime here.
Prime I think Salman has a greater pull. बट मैं अगर अभी की बात भी करूँ ना, क्योंकि ही इज मोर अवेलेबल टू द ऑडियंस, क्योंकि 3 महीना बिग बॉस करता है भाई वो. शाहरुख खान का ऐसा वो 2 साल में एक बार आएगा, इसलिए ही हैज दैट इफेक्ट कि वो शाहरुख खान आ रहा है. सलमान खान का मूवीज अभी नहीं चले क्योंकि द शिट एक्टर राइट नाउ. दैट आई एग्री. ही कैन नॉट डांस, ही कैन नॉट डू, ही डजंट केयर आई थिंक राइट नाउ. बट द फैक्ट दैट ही इज मोर अवेलेबल टू द ऑडियंस, दैट इज रीजन व्हाई ही हैज लेस फेम.
But like, don't you think that Shah Rukh is a better actor than Salman in general?
I do not think so. Prime Salman, no. I do not think so.
See, I'm saying in terms of pure acting, because I think in terms of pure acting, Salman Khan, except from a couple of films, which includes, I think, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, which was like a film of the last 7-8 years.
Yeah.
That was like, you know, that was a movie where someone was like, oh, kya acting kiya Salman Khan ne. Otherwise, the way that I've grown up, I've always heard that he's a very average actor, because in most of the scenes, he like doesn't even give a double take. He's like, एक टेक दूंगा, ये हुआ वो हुआ खत्म.
बट आई थिंक वो ये तो काफी ना, मतलब अभी रिसेंट चीज है कि वो डबल टेक नहीं देगा.
नहीं, आई थिंक वो लाइक जब से स्टार, सी जब वो नया था तब तो बात अलग थी, बिकॉज ठीक है यू आर न्यू है, बट उसका जब से थोड़ा बहुत भी वो स्टारडम लाइक बिल्ड हो गया था फ्रॉम अर्ली 2000s, आई थिंक दैट maybe वैसा करता होगा, like who knows.
Yeah.
But at the end, what I'm trying to say is, I think that Shah Rukh's performances, there are many performances in terms of acting that Salman can't pull off. Salman can't pull a My Name is Khan, yaar. My Name is Khan is something that he can't pull off.
But I think Shah Rukh Khan also can't pull off the fuckboy vibe or the most chill ass vibe, bro. ऐसे जो सलमान खान pull off कर, ऐसे तू देखेगा ना स्क्रीन पे, चल शाहरुख का पता है कि he is playing a character, he is acting. सलमान खान ब्रो doesn't give two fucks. ऐसा लगता है ब्रो मैं बहुत नेचुरल बंदे को देख रहा हूँ भाई,
एकदम ऐसा मेथड एक्टिंग कर रहा था, रियल लाइफ में होता है
कुछ भी, मतलब गोविंदा के साथ कुछ भी बकचोदी कर रहा है मूवी में ब्रो, एकदम ऐसा लग रहा है एकदम कैजुअली कटरीना कैफ के पीछे भाग रहे वो लोग, अरे प्रेम भाई वो लोग ब्रो, डांसिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस ब्रो. I don't think Shah Rukh Khan can do this. Salman Khan is a more natural actor, is what I feel. I don't think you can tell that he's acting, bro. You are like, bro, ये तो अपना यार ही एकदम स्क्रीन पे
correct. So I think in case of Salman Khan, I think the perfect hypothesis here is that Salman Khan, when he's playing a character of that sort, it looks great.
Yeah.
But when he does something else, it looks shit most of the times.
But
because he's not that. So here again comes the question of versatility.
Yeah, but again, like he has cracked that thing and he's doing it, and it has worked all the time. So like for me, if you have cracked that one thing, no, that is much bigger because you know that nobody else can do it. So वो एक niche मिल गया उसको, और तेरे को पता है
nobody else can do it, or I can only do it, and I can do only this.
Same thing, but still worked well, no bro.
But I think in Shah Rukh's prime, he was doing all kind of films. That so you can agree on कि he was doing all kind of films. Like he was doing big dharma movies, big banner films. He was doing films like Chak De and all also, which was a Salman Khan reject, by the way.
Yeah, Salman Khan is
correct. Then he experimented with Ravan, which no one dared to. Yeah, which everyone believes that Ravan was way ahead of its time.
Way ahead of its time.
It was a great movie, to be very honest.
Amazing movie, but
like amazing concept as well.
Also, yeah, but bro, जो बोलते ना king of romance, I don't think he's the king of romance.
Yeah, so see, even I do agree.
He cannot do
king
that,
of romance. Yeah, I mean to say that Shah Rukh Khan in his prime, he was doing so many genre of films, and not just like one genre. Like you can have like examples like K3G Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, to Swades, and to films like Yes Boss, Duplicate, like Karan Arjun, and usme bhi there was a romantic angle, there was a love angle, there was a heartbreak scene.
Yeah.
Usme comedy with and Shah Rukh Khan is good at comedy.
Comedy, correct.
Shah Rukh Khan,
but I don't think he's better.
Chandni Chowk ke sare pagal mere.
But he's not better than Salman Khan when it comes to comedy.
Yeah, see, like I do believe that Salman Khan ka wo pura zone hi hai where 80% of the movie he is like that.
Yeah.
In these Shah Rukh Khan films, he's like 70, not 70, sorry. It's like 30% like like crying and all those things. 50% love.
Yeah.
And like फिर balance 20% थोड़ा comedy हो रहा है. And many cases तो बहुत comedy हो रहा है.
बहुत comedy हो रहा है, correct.
Like example, there's a film with Juhi Chawla. Yes Boss थी था क्या कि क्या था? तुमको बुलाऊं ये पल के बिछाऊं.
Fuck, I don't remember the name of the movie.
पर ये song सुना है?
Song सुना है.
तो उसमें उसका एक फिर बहुत फेमस सीन है कि मैं आपको बाहर तक छोड़ दूं. तो बोलती मैनेजर, मतलब ऐसा बोला कुछ तो है. एंड देयर इज दिस इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन देम एंड ही इज लुकिंग सो गुड इन दैट, सो क्यूट. मतलब एंड दैट जस्ट शोज द चार्म, लाइक द चार्म ऑफ द गाय. आई नो दैट what you're talking about is the typical romantic songs that they shoot and they force upon us, which even I don't like.
Yeah.
But the way Shah Rukh Khan plays that lover boy in like K3G also, hello जी क्या हुआ, मतलब जो फिर बोलता है ना कि अपनी मेरी बीवी अगर उसको डांटेगी तो चुप हो जाएगा एकदम से, एकदम में
प्रॉपर ऐसा बोला
एकदम ऐसा very cute. तो फिर that is something that I think people enjoy a lot. So with there's something that I guess I think the final verdict is that it's a true opinion.
It's an imposter opinion.
But I believe it to be a true opinion because I think Prime Salman Khan was something else.
Like, Prime Salman Khan was something else. I love that guy, but I don't think he's a better actor than Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, actor. But again, I have a complaint to make to the audience about Nikhil. Is that he's not taking the question only properly. There was no question about acting only.
I know, but general only, bro. How will you judge an actor by in terms of his acting only?
Yeah, but see, about Salman Khan is that there's an entertainment factor.
हाँ, मैं वही प्रूव करने की ट्राई कर रहा था. मैंने प्रूव कर लिया अभी मैं.
बट तेरे दिमाग में कुछ और ही था तो मैं ऐसे घुमा रहा था.
बट मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि as purely as an actor, since both of them are in the Bollywood industry, I think Shah Rukh Khan is a much better actor. I was trying to prove that way कि Salman is better actor also, but that I don't agree with. I think movies he has given some banger movies. but I don't think he's a better actor than Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah. So I think what you are trying to say is what I was thinking, and what I was thinking, मतलब जो भी उल्टा था. But if I have to just stick to the core of the opinion here, since there was no acting mentioned, I just look at it from an entertainment point of view as a whole, and I also see it from a lens in terms of the audience pull, and like just pure entertainment, to be very honest, because, and also the word prime. So even Shah Rukh at his prime was doing crazy movies, but the kind of entertainment that Salman Khan has given in Partner, in Ready, in Wanted, in Mujhse Shaadi Karogi,
oh bro, fuck insane भाई.
खराब टाइम अभी आने वाला है. हाँ, ये तो अच्छा टाइम चल रहा था. मतलब लाइक सलमान खान है ना, जिसको हमेशा बहुत जगह एकदम कमीना दिखाया है, to like for him to be a bhola guy in front of Akshay Kumar
भाई bro. I think in entertainment
Dabang franchise.
मैं तो वही bro, दबंग को कोई शाहरुख खान को तुम दे दो भाई, कोई ऐसा दबंग जैसा मूवी घंटा कुछ कर पाएगा भाई.
मतलब सो एक करके, ठीक है, let's just list those Salman Khan movies which are just pure entertainment. Dabang franchise, Ready, और ये Wanted, Kick, oh fuck भाई, Kick, मैं वही बोला था, कौन सी मूवी भूल रहा हूँ भाई. Kick, मुझसे शादी करोगी, एकता टाइगर, Partner. I think Partner was, one of my favorite, the most all-time favorite. It was अरे भास्कर, stupid भास्कर भाई. और फिर जो वो मेरे को हमेशा वो सोनी दे नखरे गाना bro, the whole vibe of that song, bro, it doesn't look that you have choreographed it, bro, like two brothers just dancing, bro. And the way Salman Khan dances, his dance moves are so, मतलब I don't remember a Shah Rukh Khan dance move being famous, correct, but that वो jacket वाला step, and and that belt step, the bang, and this step, so good भाई, so good. And पता है देखो सलमान खान का एक और स्टेप है, वो कुछ तो ऐसा, वो जग घूमे और वो एक और, वो तो खिलौड़ी बिना चटनी कैसे, एंड लाइक एक और कोई तो और था मूवी का, वेयर इवन लाइक पीपल ऑन द इंटरनेट वर लाइक कि ये सलमान खान ने भी कैसे किया उसको भी नहीं मालूम, और वी आर श्योर कि वो फिर से भी नहीं कर सकता और कोई और भी नहीं कर सकता ये स्टेप, कुछ तो ऐसे करता है, मतलब like but like Salman Khan steps, you know, right? Yeah, bro. Anything, and it's such a, like we know with Shah Rukh Khan there's this hand thing. Yeah. But I think वो भी bore हो गया मैं वो देख के. Yeah. Like so, yeah, bro. Prime Salman Khan in terms of entertainment, I think he's entertainment better, value. But हाँ, मेरे दिमाग में तो शाहरुख खान. मेरे दिमाग में acting था, मैं उसको गर्ल प्रूफ करने का ट्राई करा, तो acting wise तो I agree भाई. Whatever I said like about Salman being a better actor, it is not true, bro. Everyone knows for a fact that Shah Rukh Khan was a better actor. Yeah. और जैसे तूने versatility का बोला bro, कि थी जी चक दे bro. Fucking insane भाई. और शाहरुख खान का audience, he has worked for it, and like I think Shahrukh right now has a much bigger loyal better fan base than Salman Khan. हाँ, उसके पास lawyer तो है. जैसे कांड चल रहा है, lawyer तो पड़ा हुआ है. नहीं, but and I think again to come back on the same line, that he has been majorly responsible for putting India on the global map in terms of Bollywood. Yeah. Right. Yeah. When you see people like Tendulkar and Kohli to put India on a global map like that. Like Shah Rukh Khan, what he has done in terms of films, right? Everyone, especially in case of I think the Middle East, US and all, yeah, Shah Rukh Khan films and things like that. Yeah, and I think like one thing I think we missed out. I don't think Shah Rukh Khan can do TV shows at all. Salman Khan in terms of TV shows has been. Yeah, bro. ऐसे Big Boss. 10 का दम was peak entertainment. संजय दत्त का वो episode भाई. Jackie Shroff bro, क्या बकचोदी करते थे भाई वो लोग bro. And there were cricketers like I think Bhaji and UV also on that show. और proper bro एकदम ऐसे लगा सब पी के बैठे हैं bro. और भाई मस्त गांड मारे विवेक ओबरॉय की. क्या कर रहे हैं भाई? और unhinged. Like I don't think Shahrukh Khan has tried a couple of times. I don't think उसका इतना हिट हुआ है क्योंकि again he doesn't have that aura of that bakchot person bro. I don't think Shahrukh Khan, when you see when it comes to him, very classy, sophisticated guy. Salman Khan can be sophisticated as well, can be the most bakchot person as well. Correct. जैसे वो कोहली ने एक बार इंटरव्यू में बोला था ना कि हम तो भाई माहौल देख के किया तो हम ऐसे दिल्ली का लौंडा या आपके सामने बैठे इंडिया का कैप्टन माहौल देख के हम सेट हो जाते हैं. बट सलमान खान इट्स लाइक वेरी नेचुरल ना, इट्स नॉट एक्टिंग, इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज सलमान खान आई थिंक दैट ही इज नॉट थिंकिंग व्हेन ही इज सेइंग लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. यू सी हिम इन आपकी अदालत आल्सो. यू सी हिम इन आपकी अदालत एंड ही इज मेकिंग दीस कमेंट्स कि लाइक जॉन अब्राहम ने ऐसा बोला, विवेक ओबरॉय ने ऐसा, खरत जौहर के ब्रो उस पे भी क्या क्या बोल के गया था भाई बता वो पक्की. हाँ ऐसे इफ यू वर टू वेक अप एज दिस गाय, व्हाट हु डू यू वांट नेक्स्ट योर बेड?
करण जौहर,
हाँ
ऐसे कोई बंदे को करण जौहर की गांड मारा है भाई ऐसे कुछ
कि on gun point if you were forced to have a gay encounter, ऐसी कोई गन बनी ही नहीं है करण. It was so good, such a goated answer. I loved that answer.
और इतना आने सबके ऐसे सिचुएशनशिप रिलेशनशिप के कमेंट किया जा रहा था भाई इस पे रैपिड फायर में.
Oh, and it was actually funny. कुछ तो एक दो कमेंट्स थे कि your one advice to Ranbir Kapoor, don't have fun. To Katrina Kaif, make sure he doesn't have fun. To I think Hrithik Roshan, stay out of it. तो और करण जो वो बोलता है what बोलता है कुछ तो इशारे से
कुछ पढ़ी नहीं
तो फिर बोलता है अच्छा tell me about these actresses or these actors if they were not in film industry तो क्या करेंगे. तो बोलता है करीना कपूर हाउसवाइफ.
Oh shit, that was the most goated comment, bro. अभी पता कोई बोलेगा तो भाई गांड मारो,
मतलब with the hand gestures.
अरे भाई कोई पढ़ ही नहीं दिया. That's the reason why so much trouble right now. भाई बोलता है ना कि भाई मैं बोलना बंद कर दिया बचपन में जो मिस्टेक्स किए. बिग बॉस में हर एपिसोड में बोलता है भाई तुम जो कर रहे हो ना ये सब मैंने किया और मेरी हालत देखो अभी कैसी हो गई है. सबको एक एग्जांपल देता है.
And like I think what's there on Shah Rukh Khan's side like right now is I think his fitness probably.
Yeah.
Because you still see him on screen in events and he's still there alert, sharp.
I think Salman Khan has a lot of medical issues also.
Yeah, at least what we can see is that he is not very fit right now in terms of his physical appearance, and he seems very tired also. उसके चेहरे पे दिखता है कि he's tired of all this.
Yeah, वो मतलब he just doesn't give a fuck anymore bro. वैसे लगता है कि जबरदस्ती करा रहे हैं. बिग बॉस से भी मैं देखता हूँ ना मतलब जो भी ऐसे कोई गेस्ट वेस्ट भी आता है ना ब्रो और भाई कैसे हो अच्छा हाँ वैसे सब ऑल ब्रो एवरीवन इज जस्ट ऑकवर्ड अराउंड हिम ब्रो जस्ट स्कैर्ड ऑकवर्ड. वेयर शाहरुख खान के साथ पीपल आर वेरी चिल बट कोई भी अगर उस दिन ऐसे बीच में कोई अनन्या पांडे आई थी ब्रो ऐसे लास्ट 2 हफ्ते पहले ब्रो शी वाज स्कैर्ड. ऐसे वो बंदा ऐसे एक तो छेड़ता है मेरे को लगता है ब्रो बंदियों को. वो ऐसे कोई डांस करना था तो डांस नहीं करा फिर ऐसे किस का कुछ तो स्टेप आया शाहरुख खान हाँ किस करते ऐसे अनन्या पांडे वो सो अनकंफर्टेबल ब्रो. आई एम लाइक दिस गाय जिस ब्रो अजीब ही बंदा है भाई. अभी तो पूरा अजीब हो गया भाई. ऐसे लगता है छेड़ता है बंदियों को भाई. On that note, thank you guys for watching. Your favorite segment Bollywood was back and hopefully we'll be back soon. And yeah, let us know your thoughts. Please subscribe to our channel. We are about to touch 10K. हर बार ये बोलते हैं please touch करा दो. And we'll be back.
See you soon, boys. Bye.